Unbox all of the parts to install your horn. Place the rubber pieces into the grooves on each side of the clamp for a secure, anti-slip installation. Thread the proper size bolts through the rear part of the clamp. Fasten around the crown of your fork. Tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver until tight. Position the clamp, leaving enough room for the horn. Place the brackets of the horn around the clamp. Thread the bolt with one of the washers through the clamp. Place the second washer on the far end of the bolt. Thread on the nut. Tighten using the provided wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, install the controller on the handlebar in a convenient location. Use the provided zip tie to secure the excess cable connecting the horn to the controller. You are able to charge the horn by plugging it into the controller using the provided cord. Test the horn using your wireless controller.